multiplied by 8. Let's find that product, and then we're gonna know how many she drinks in one day.
On this cold, snowy February morning, these Rose Stein International 5th graders are huddling in a classroom corner, not for warmth, but for knowledge about the metric system. They're working through some multi-step problem solving, not unlike Rose Stein itself, which has had both reinvention and rebirth. Rose Stein reopened last August after a 2-year closure and a multi-million-dollar upgrade.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's so wonderful to see the turnout. This community has got a new beginning here with the renovation and reopening of Rose Stein Elementary School. And I have to tell you, you have one of the most talented school leaders that you could have hoped for with Esther Valdez.
It is a very significant gesture that Jeffco invested in this building and in this community to build trust in Jeffco and the community healing and returning to their neighborhood.
We moved to Denver about 3 years ago, and we saw Rose Stein go from what it was to what it is, and it's been a journey for these people, and it's so good to see everybody come together and make it happen and bring these kids back to school.
There's such strong tradition at Stein, and to bring back and tie that to the innovation of the new and preparing our kids for a highly successful future.
A lot of excitement. I was just telling my wife, I'm like, we must be getting old because now we're on a garden committee.
Not to mention the PTA will be participating in that
all
as well.
those exciting things as a parent.
The school's return has been heartwarming for many who have historic ties.
The parents attended here, their kids now attend here, so you see this complete turnaround in generational attending.
Good.
Rose Stein's newest generation, the preschoolers, have enjoyed some rock star treatment over the past year, since they were the first to experience the refreshed school, months before any other student.
When you look into the eyes of those 3-year-olds and recognize that we're investing in our future, it's a very powerful message.
And as they advance and grow, they'll be part of Rose Stein's commitment to being an education destination that blends dual language with academic rigor, including membership in the area's International Baccalaureate track.
IB model that Alameda has implemented with the middle years program and the diploma years, as well as the career program. The power of the K-12 aligned to IB, and for us to contribute to that area is very significant.
Another plus, retrofitting part of the school into a clinic, offering affordable health care. Valdez admits the rebirth of Rose Stein has been one of the most challenging chapters in her career. But her faith in her staff, the community, and the kids has gotten her through. A quote has also helped that she likes to pull out every now and then.
There's a garden at every childhood, an enchanted place where colors are brighter, the air is softer, and the morning is more fragrant than ever again.